Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We multiply by x on numerator and denominator. Next, we have the formula in here. That's about e to the power of lnx equals to s. Now, I need to change s into this one. Next, I need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to 1 plus lnx because we still have about lnx. So I will put number 1 go to the left. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have number 1, so we have du. This is about the constant. So if we do first derivative of the constant, you got about 0. First derivative of lnx, you got about ds over s. And this one we can simplify like this. So this one we change by u. lnx we change by u minus 1. ds over s we change by du. So e to the power of u minus 1 we can put into e to the power of u and e in here. Next, the integration of this one, we got about exponential integral of u and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.